Hello Mustang Maniacs. Today we're going to work on the 2009 45th anniversary Mustang. I bought this Mustang a few months ago to replace my 2005 Mustang. Unfortunately, it was in a car accident. I've been doing repairs on this thing to make it look sweet. Well, in January, we had an ice freeze situation, and I hadn't let my son in the car to go to work. Fortunately, he slipped on some black ice and wrecked it. So for the past 6 months, I've been working on this '09 Mustang that I bought as a replacement car. And I think we got really lucky. I mean, it's in really good shape, very clean. It did have some issues. If you look at my past videos, you can see some of the repairs I've been doing on this car. When you get used cars, you don't really know what the car's been through. So as I drive it and get to know this car, I realize there's little repairs here and there. Like today, we're dealing with this little seat. Granted, I'm gonna stitch it up, but I'm not the best seamstress, but I'll do my best to at least keep it together. My intent is to find a new upper part of the driver's seat cover and replace it. But for now, I'm just gonna stitch it up. It may not be the prettiest, but it's gonna hold together. I've owned 4 Mustangs in my life. 2003, I bought an '03 Mustang, one of the new Edge Mustangs. It was a 6-cylinder automatic transmission. It was a pretty nice little car. But then when the '05 came out, I had to trade it in. So I traded it in for an '05. Wow, what a beautiful car the '05 was. And about the same time, I also purchased a '65 Mustang. If you look at my video catalog, you'll see that I did some work on this Mustang. I wish I would have still had it because we could have gone further with it. I brought it pretty much from the graveyard to actually inspect it and roadworthy. I ended up selling it, but I've had Mustangs for quite a while, since '03. But what a big difference between the '05 and the '09. My '05 was very basic. It had a radio, but it wasn't a shaker. It didn't have the little amp speakers and the little speakers in the door. You didn't have the ability to change the colors in the dashboard. There's a lot of little lighting in this car that it's pretty cool. But nevertheless, it's pretty much the same car. I really miss the standard transmission. I mean, you can really do some good power slides and really burn out the wheels on it with a manual transmission. Can't do it with an automatic. So my '05 Mustang, as I worked on it, I called it the Rick Star Mustang. And I didn't do very many mods to it, other than a K&N filter and some ground effects. I mean, if you want to call it that. But it was already getting there. It was ready for a paint job. The sun, coming from El Paso, the sun burnt it up. And so when it wrecked, it really hurt me. I still have it. It's sitting right here next to this one. But yeah, I think it's time to part away with it. I've been trying to part it out. I've only sold the engine, but I think I'm gonna call somebody to come take it away already. Then you just come up and kind of massage it a little bit too. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. If you like this content, punch the subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and as always, keep the rubber down, and God bless you.